Welcome to our kitchen haven, where today, we're transforming your daily cooking routine with some incredible hacks. Whether you're a morning rusher or a lunchtime planner, these tips are your new best friends. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Imagine waking up to a ready-made, nutritious meal. That's the magic of overnight oats. Just mix oats, your choice of milk, a sweetener, and top it off with your favorite fruits and nuts. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and by morning, you have a delicious breakfast waiting for you. Next, we have the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast, egg muffins. Whisk together some eggs, throw in veggies, cheese, or whatever your heart desires. Pour the mix into muffin tins and bake. These little delights are not just tasty, but they're also perfect for meal prep. Are you a smoothie lover? Then you'll adore this hack. Prep your smoothie ingredients in advance and store them in freezer bags. When you're ready, just blend them with your choice of liquid. It's a quick, healthy breakfast smoothie with zero morning hassle. Now, let's shift gears to lunch, starting with a clever twist on a classic, salad in a jar. Layer your favorite salad ingredients, starting with the dressing at the bottom and ending with greens on top. It stays fresh, and when you're ready to eat, just shake it up. Wraps are a lunchtime favorite. Just take in tortilla, place your favorite lunch meats and vegetables, and roll it up. Last but not least, bento boxes. These aren't just for kids. They're an excellent way to pack a balanced, fun, and visually appealing lunch. Mix and match your favorite ingredients in each compartment for a lunch that's never boring. And there you have it, simple yet effective cooking hacks for your breakfast and lunch. Try these out, and watch how they transform your meal prep routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more great tips and stay tuned for our next culinary adventure. Check out our other videos for more delicious inspiration. See you in the kitchen.